Ryan Hughes from Awesome Ford. Today we're going to talk to you about the auto start and stop technology. In this current vehicle, your button is located right here. When you turn the vehicle on, this system already automatically comes on. If you don't want to use it, you just simply push the button. It'll give you the sign that it's off. Most of the vehicles, you're going to have the button that's going to be up here where you can turn it on or off. The vehicles have the exact same button. So the reason why you would use this technology is to save gas mileage. So when you come to a complete stop or a stoplight, simply shuts your engine off. As soon as you hit the gas pedal, it goes back on. The reason why you wouldn't want to use it is just if it's kind of annoying to you or it just doesn't feel right, you can simply turn it off. Either way, it's a great technology. It does save people a lot of gas mileage, and I appreciate you looking at this today.